So, guys, update on Mazi Simon Ekpa's appeal trial that is going on in Finland. You understand? As you all know, that his appeal started on the 5th of August 2026. You understand? Which is 2 days ago. So, and after the first appearance on the 5th of August 2026, there was a little bit changes. A little bit changes. You understand? So the main date for his trial, appeal trial that have already started, is still the same thing. But there is another additional date, which they say they're going to be having a closed door trial, which means um, secret trial. It equally means secret trial. You understand? So, and as we were doing investigation to know the reason why they want to have that closed door trial, the information reaching us is that the federal government of bandits have sent their witnesses, the IPOB DOS witness, those that testified in the first from the beginning, those who testify against Simon Epka and against their own freedom, that made the Finland court to sentence Mazi for 6 years imprisonment. You understand? We got the information that the reason why they say they are having a closed door trial is because those people who they say they are going to come to testify in the favor of Nigeria, they don't want the people to know that they are the one, or they say that they are doing it for their security purposes, like their life is being in danger. So that is the reason why they say they are going to have a closed door trial, which is a secret trial. You understand? So this trial now is going to be between the persecutor and the defendant and the judge and the lawyers and the witness from the Nigerian government. So the supporters of Mazi Simon Epka are now going to be permitted to enter inside the court. You understand? So whatever they are going to do is going to do between the persecutor and the defendant and the those who have come to testify against Mazi Simon Epka and against the Biafrans. You understand? So I'm going to be showing you people, those who have come to testify against their own freedom and against Mazi Simon Epka. You understand? This is their faces. These are the faces of those who have come to testify against their own freedom, to testify in the favor of Nigerian government. You understand? So, nevertheless, at the end of everything, we are going to know who is saying the truth. Because at the end of everything, the truth is going to prevail. You understand? I thank God that the Finland, even though they have compromised, because of the pressure from the Nigerian government, you understand? But we know at the end of the day, justice is going to prevail. Unless if the Finnish government decided to follow the path of politics. You understand? If they decided to follow the path of politics instead of following the path of justice. You understand? Then we will now understand where Finland have decided to stand. They have already stand. We know that they have already supported the evil country called Nigeria. You understand? But in as much as the law is going to take its course, we know that at the end of the day, the man Simon Epka is going to win this appeal. It doesn't matter what they do, because the people that is coming to testify against Mazi Simon Epka don't even have any evidence. They don't have even single evidence of someone you are testifying against. The only evidence that these people have is only what Simon Epka posted on his Twitter page. That is where all their evidence is coming from. You understand? So they don't have any evidence of him, of all the atrocities and the crime they are accusing him of committing in Nigeria. They don't have none. None. There is nothing of evidence whatsoever that they have against this innocent man. You understand? So today being the 7th of August, they are still going to have another secret trial, which is closed door trial. That is how they put it. You understand? So they're going to have another closed door trial, being today 7th of August 2026. You understand? So after today, they're going to have another one on the 12th of August 2026 also, another closed door trial. You understand? Then after that, then they will enter the main trial. Mazi Simon Ekpa now will now start defending himself based on the evidence that the Nigerian government have provided against him. You understand? So that is the update that I say, let me come and update everybody so that you people will know what is going on. You understand? So at the end, victory is going to be ours. No matter what, no matter how they try to paint it or to cover the truth, at the end of the day, the truth is going to come out. You understand? So, dear friends, nobody should panic. We are winning. We are winning. You understand? We are winning. We are winning.